can certainly see some glue marks. This is probably due to the binding being glued in place and some of that glue's gotten on the body. So first we'll try to remove that with some warm water and a rag. Failing that, we may need to do some sanding. Just trying to rub around some of those more visible areas where we can see some glue. Okay, so I've just let the guitar body dry. The warm water's actually removed some of the marks on the top here, but as we can see if we look on the side, it's been pretty ineffective removing those glue stains or glue marks around here. So what I'll do next is some light sanding. So I'm using a 240 grit sandpaper.
So you can see the sandpaper's been fairly effective removing those stains around the side of the body. The glue can sometimes be a little hard to spot on the body of the guitars. So if you're not sure, spray a little bit of moisture on the body, the same way you would if you were raising the grain of the timber. And if any water's not being absorbed, it may be a sign there's some issues with glue still. So you can see I'm now sanding the veneer. Just keep in mind they're really quite thin, so you want to avoid sand throughs. And lastly, I've just got some degreaser on a rag and I'm giving the guitar a good wipe over. Okay, so next I'm just masking